This is the video tip session for member parameter. If you click the member parameter function from above, you can set the parameters for the style and the RC section. We will first go over the details of RC section. For the target ratio factors, if you click one object from the model on the right side, you will see this message change to selected one object. It means that these target ratio factors, as well as all the other coefficient factors, will only be applied to the one object that you selected. Then you might be wondering which target ratio factors will be applied to the unselected objects of the model. For the unselected objects, if you go to Design Setting function and then to Checking Control tab and click RC Beam, you will see these target ratio factors again. Basically, the factors and settings put into the Design Setting function will be applied to the unselected objects, and the factors that you put into the member design parameters will specifically be applied to the selected objects. If the ratio between member force and resistance fall in between maximum and minimum target ratios, you will get OK sign from the program. If the ratios fall below the values of minimum target ratio, then you will get the message saying need check. If they go over the maximum target ratio but less than 1, you will get critical sign. And if they go over the capacity ratio of 1, you will get NG sign. And if the section size is not sufficient and the ratios exceed 1, you will get failure message.